beautifuls, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, ways to see. It's me, Didi, Deandra, call me whatever you want to call me. So in today's video, this is going to be a Pennywise haul. Right now, I know I haven't done a Pennywise haul in a really long time because I don't really go to Pennywise that often. Majority of my stuff lasts like a really long time because I am more so a conservative person. I just have one problem though. Tell me why, right? Why Pennywise in Laramie had majority of the sections blocked off? Why? Like, that was so, it wasn't annoying because I know the reason why they did it, to like, you know, reserve like certain sections and like help people like to stay within a certain area so that, you know, a lot of people wouldn't be crowded into that particular area and stuff like that. But it was so annoying because some of those sections, I buy some stuff from those sections and I couldn't buy anything from those sections. That was so annoying, right? And I was so sad, but I do appreciate the fact that, you know, they let everyone abide to the COVID rules, you know, let everyone, a certain amount of people go in, and, you know, they told people that, you know, they have 20 minutes to shop and stuff like that. So I appreciate that. I was in and out because I just needed to get something. But if y'all are interested in natural hair videos, makeup videos, and lifestyle/vlog videos, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, click the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post a video, and don't forget to like, comment, and share. That's about it, guys. Now let's get into the Pennywise haul. I don't necessarily have a particular order that I want to do this Pennywise haul, but I'm just going to show you what I have in my bag. So firstly, we will start off with, I guess, my spray bottle. So I needed a new spray bottle and I saw this spray bottle and it was super cute. This is like a baby blue type of spray bottle. So yeah, I'm not sure what was the cost, but I would link all the cost of each item down in the description box. If not, when I'm editing video, I would place the price on the screen. So this is the first item that I'm showing you all. It's a nice, you know, cute spray bottle. Do whatever you need to do with in here. So yeah. So secondly, I have this brush from DIANE. Right, and it comes with a mirror. Now usually brushes like these, I use them to do wash and goes because of the bristles. The bristles are really hard, so it gets into my hair and it detangles and curl my hair. So I like to use these type of brushes to do wash and goes. Now the mirror is kind of cute, but I don't necessarily have a use for the mirror, I would say. But if it's like, you know, you're traveling or whatever and you so happen to have this brush in your bag, you know, you could use the mirror for, I don't know, like putting on your lip gloss or looking at your makeup or whatever. So yeah. Next item I have is this Apricot Scrub, cleansing pores and prevents blemishes. So this is it. This is basically for skincare, right? My skincare routine, it includes like a cleanser, a face scrub, a face mask, and yeah. So I bought this face scrub because my previous face scrub, it is almost finishing, so I just need to stock up on my face scrub. So I'll leave the price of this on the screen. So this is it right here. A big part of my skincare routine, I should say, a big part of my skincare routine is the face mask, right? Is the face mask. And I did purchase previously a face mask, but it was a cucumber face mask. This one is an orange now and it is vitamin C. So this is the face mask here, and these are the instructions in the back here. Now these face masks, they are really moisturizing, they are cool. They tell you to put these face masks in the fridge, so like, you know, it probably won't dry up or anything. But I really do love them because it gets into your pores and it really helps your skin to clear up. So I would recommend this to anyone who, like, you know, having trouble with their acne or who just want to like improve their skin. This is something I would recommend. Like any brand or flavor, it would be really good. The one that I had before was cucumber, but they didn't have the cucumber one in Pennywise, so I picked up the vitamin C one. Back to here, I have the African Roots Curling Activator. This is it. Right, I will open it. Ooh, it smells really good. It smells like candy, to be honest. It smells like candy. Now, when I recently started my natural hair journey, I used to buy the Eco Styler Curling Activator, and that used to work really good in my hair. But I wanted to try different things, so I've tried the Anjaki's Curling Activator, never really worked. I've tried other curling activators, can't remember their names, but I've tried like numerous curling activator, and the curling activator that, you know, really worked for me was the Eco Styling Gel Curling Activator. But recently I saw this, right, and I wanted to try it out. Now I bought different curling activator, like probably, let me say, at the beginning of this year, and I still have it. And I did a video on YouTube with, well, using that product, and it really curled my hair like really well. And I'll link the video in the description box. The purpose of that video was me doing like finger coils on my natural hair, so I would link that video down in the description box so y'all could see the product that I use. But I will also put a picture on the screen so y'all could see like that product, and that product is really nice. It was really light on my hair, no flakes, no nothing. So I am really excited to see what this product would do for my hair in terms of curling, and I would do a natural hair video on it, like no cap. So stay tuned for that. Another item is the Lotta Body coconut and shea oils edge control. So this is it. Now I am not a big fan of Lotta Body edge control because that melts really quick, right? What I usually use is the olive oil edge control with the two little girls on the bottles, right? I really like that because it stays, that melts as well. What edge control don't melt, but it is stiff, and I really like that about that edge control. And you know, you slap a little gel on that and you know, you're set for life. So I prefer that edge control over any other edge control that I've ever seen or used, but I am open to using like new products. So yeah, we have a charcoal cleanser. So charcoal face soap, I have a love-hate relationship with it, right? This is the charcoal face soap that I had previously, and this was not gentle on my skin. I know for some people it works really good, but this was not gentle on my skin. I have oily skin, like really oily skin, as you can see, because right now I am extremely greasy. This product wasn't it, dog. This product was not it. Like, yo, this product dried up my skin and I had to use Jergens cream. Like, that's something. Like, I had to use Jergens cream to bring back moisture into my skin and restore my skin because this was not it. And that product, I had to get something a little bit more gentle for my skin, so I got this charcoal face soap, and this one is really gentle on your skin, I particularly use it with a hot rag, well, not a hot rag, a warm rag, and scrub my skin with it so I can exfoliate my skin. And on top of that, I use my face scrub, so that helps with my oily skin, and this works really well. This is our next face soap that I am now trying, so I hope this one is gentle as well. I am excited to use this product to see how it works on my skin, but so far this one has my heart, and I would buy more of these in the future. No, this is something that I hold dearest to my heart because I've recently learned how to use it. And when I mean recently, I mean last year, right, when I just started my YouTube channel. Lashes. Now, for the life of me, right, all these years, I found it so difficult to apply lashes on my eyes, and I finally achieved wearing lashes, right? And these, I think these are like a different type to the ones that I had previously, because the ones that I had previously, they are more like full, they are more on the thicker side. This one, they have, I don't know how to explain it. It's just, it's completely different to the ones that I had. But these are the 3D Fox Mink, and yeah, these are really pretty though. These are the instructions in the back here. Let's get to my favorite part, which is braids. I'm sorry for my hair misbehaving. So we are on to my favorite part, which is braids, right? I really like braids, guys. Even though I don't do it like as often in my hair as I would like to, right? I really like braids, and the pack of braids that I would forever and ever continue buying for the rest of my life is the 3 value packs, right? This is in the color TT1B/BG, right? So it is ombre color, and it goes from black to maroon, and I honestly and truly want to try this color in my hair because I like red. I want to see how I look in red hair, so yeah, that is that. And I bought 2 packs of these. These would save you money instead of buying like the single packs, and also it will cost you less trouble because it's pre-stripped, so you don't need to strip the hair, you don't need to do anything. It saves less time. Better for me, my head is big, let's just say that. So I have a second bag with braids as well, and this is for my sister. What she had got was the 3+1 free pack. Right, so she got the 3+1 value pack, and this is in the color TT1B/27. So she got the ombre pack, and it's from black to gold, and it is pretty. I think it would look really nice on her complexion as well. I tried out this pack already, and it is really nice. I'll insert a picture, right? Like I said, it saves you money, it saves you time, and it is better. I hooking up all your onto the seams so all you could get value for all your money. So yeah. So this is the pack here, and I really do recommend anyone who really likes braids to use this in their hair. And lastly, I got some hair beads because I really like hair beads. These are them, right? Don't know what exactly I want to do with them just yet. All I know is that I want to try a really nice style with these beads, and we'll figure something out. So that is it for my Pennywise haul, guys. It's nothing, you know, under the sun. These are, majority of these products are not new things to me. I usually buy them. So yeah, and I would list the total of everything down in the description box. Like I said, I'll place the prices in the description box and on the screen when I'm editing, so y'all will see like the prices and y'all will get more information on the product itself. So I would like to say thank you guys for watching my Pennywise haul. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Helps my video to be pushed out by YouTube. And if you're all interested in natural hair videos, makeup videos, lifestyle / vlogs videos, leave a comment down below what type of videos you'll want to see from me, and I will try my best to achieve that video just for you. So let me know in the comment section down below, and yeah, be safe guys. I know it's COVID-19 and everyone is really frustrated right now, but you'll just be safe, take heed of the protocols, you know, follow all the rules and regulations, and you will be safe. So bye guys.